Hi, I'm Dean, and after working a long and grueling summer as an intern, I finally accepted a full-time position at Scott's Lawn Care, which is great because my dad kicked me out of his basement. This is getting dirty. We're here today to talk about landscaping with Alan. So what kind of landscaping services does SLC provide?
Pretty much you name it and we can provide it. Anything from edging to we plant trees, we plant shrubs, we do mulch, we'll renovate lawns, we'll come in, tear it all out, level it, rake it, and we can put fresh black dirt that we make at our shop, and it's the most nutritious dirt you can get. Anything you pretty much need done in the landscaping department we can take care of.
How often do you need to do landscaping on a property?
Well, there's different variations of landscaping that we do, but when it comes to what we're doing today, the mulch, most people do it every year or two. The colors tend to fade after about a year in the sun, and nothing makes a yard pop like some fresh colored mulch.
Why does mulch smell so good?
I think it has to do with the dyes they put in it, and then it gets warm and creates heat in the steam, so that's your best guess for me.
How hot does it get in the middle? Like 100 degrees?
I would imagine it gets close to 200 degrees, but it has been known to spontaneously combust.
Scott's Lawn Care, where mulch is hot. So what does mulch do?
You know, mulch provides a few benefits. Number one, nothing looks better than some fresh landscaping that has brand new mulch in it. The color's fresh, it makes your whole yard pop. Some of the other benefits are it holds down the weeds, so you don't have to applicate for weed removal. It's beneficial to the plants because it retains the moisture for the plant. If it rains, the ground underneath the mulch stays wet for much longer and doesn't get dried out by the sun, so it allows the plants to get their nourishment that they need to grow and be full and beautiful.
Is it possible to use mulch as my bed?
Yes.
Which is great because my dad kicked me out of his basement.
But I wouldn't recommend it. Sounds like an itchy night.
Okay. Now, how many pounds of mulch would it take to mulch a property like this?
Well, we generally don't go by pounds, we go by yards, and this job here is about a 30-yard job. So we load up trailers or a big truck and we'll bring it down here and dump it on site, and then the guys will use either wheelbarrows or some of our articulating tractors called Ventracs, and then they will drive around and install the mulch in the landscape beds where it's necessary.
So why choose Scott's Lawn Care over just mulching it yourself?
Well, we have the equipment to get it done in a timely fashion here. We absolutely don't mind when customers want to do it themselves because we provide the service of dropping off mulch. If they don't want to get it from another retailer, we do that as well. But the benefit from us comes the love and the care we put into the lawn and each piece of the property, and it doesn't matter if it's a 1/4 acre property or a 7-acre property. We treat them all the same and we care about them all the same.
My favorite type of mulch personally is cedar. What's your favorite type of mulch?
I'm a cedar guy myself. I like the Western red cedar. You pay a little more for it, but it's worth every dollar.
Well, thank you, Alan. I appreciate it. Learned a lot today about landscaping. I'm Gene, and this has been another episode of Getting Dirty.